Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a spacious 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom house for sale. It is located in the highly sought after Cherry Gardens Kingston 8 residential area. This attractive one-story dwelling house is situated on a 1/3 acre of land. It has benefited from a number of attractive upgrades, primarily in the kitchen area and the certain floor finishes, and has the potential to be readily transformed into a dream house. It also has an adequately sized helper's quarters that could be used as an additional bedroom if needed. It is livable in its present state, but cosmetic or permanent changes will dramatically increase the value to a new owner. The extremities of the property are very secure. The property is fully grilled with a newly installed security system. It has a good-sized garden area with a few fruit trees located to the rear of the premises. This is an excellent buy in what is considered to be an area of choice. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 1.1 million or Jamaican $169.3 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.